I'm here with Aber Town's new signing, Bill Stevens. Brilliant goal to start off with.
Yeah, so it's always nice to get a goal. The most important thing today was the 3 points, especially being 2 down at half time. I think we knew if we got the goal early on, we'd go on to win the game. So yeah, so it's nice to score, but the most important thing is the 3 points.
So being a new signing, what attracted you to come to Aber?
Great club. I was here the first time round, didn't really probably do myself justice. But this time I'm hoping to stay and be a part of the club in the future years, and say great players, great bunch of lads, and so hopefully we can push on now for second place and get into Europe.
We saw you in a couple of different positions today, so where would you say is your best position?
Either in the field, I could play anywhere across the middle really. Wherever Hughes wants me to play, it's best suits the team, I'll do it. So I was sort of sat with Sherbs first half, and obviously second half we changed, went to a diamond. I sat at the bottom of the diamond. So yeah, so I'll play anywhere as long as it's beneficial for the team.
So a wonder goal from you. It's already been talked about being one of the goals of the season. So
yeah, so it's nice to score a goal like that. Probably try and do it again. I'll probably put it in the stand. But it's always nice to score a goal. But I say the most important thing was we got 3 points today.
So as you say, with 3 points after being 2-0 down, could have very easily been 3-0 after they missed the open goal. But 3 goals in 5 minutes, brilliant.
Yeah, that's it. It's football for you, I suppose. 2-0 down at half time, you sort of think you can go either way. Either they get the third. The third goal was important, and we got it to make it 2-1. And I think the second goal then to make it 2-0, I think it just took the life out of them, if you like, and they sort of see their backs get to the wall. Then I think it was just a matter of time before we got the winner. We could have gone to 1 4 or 5 if we took our chances. So yes, it's great to get the 3 points today.
We're in cup action next week against Holywell, but you're cup tied. So
yeah.
The next one will be TNS.
Yeah, unfortunately, can't play in that. But I say it's another route to Europe. So it's a massive game next week, and hopefully we get the win.